Welcome students to the next session of Mathematics, Chapter 1, Geometrical Constructions. Today we will continue with the remaining questions of Practice Set 2 and we will proceed with the chapter. Question number 3. Draw an equilateral triangle with sides 6.5 cm. You know students, equilateral triangle means all the three sides are of equal measure. So first we will take the base YZ as 6.5 cm. So YZ 6.5 centimeter. Now on the compass also we will take the same measure. And keeping it at Z, one arc, and then keeping it at Y. And now we can join these. So this is X and here you have 6.5 centimeter and this is also 6.5 centimeter. Now let us proceed to the next question. Question number 4. Choose the lengths of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral, one isosceles and one scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. So the first one that we are going to draw is an equilateral triangle. I have chosen the side as 5 centimeter. You may choose any length of the side, but all the three sides should be equal. So we'll proceed to draw the equilateral triangle. First we will take the base as 5 centimeter. QR 5 centimeter. Now on the compass also we will take the same measurement, that is 5 centimeter. And now we will join it. So this is triangle PQR, which is an equilateral triangle having sides equal to 5 centimeter each. Next will be the isosceles triangle. Now, as I told you earlier, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So we have taken those two sides as 4 centimeter and the base we will take as 6 centimeter. L, M and N. Base is 6 centimeter and the other two sides are 4 centimeter each. So that completes the isosceles triangle. Next is the scalene triangle. And in a scalene triangle, you know that all the three sides are of different lengths. So we have taken the base as 5 centimeter XY. One side is 3 centimeter and the other side is 4 centimeter. We'll first draw the base of 5 centimeter length. Next we will measure 4 centimeter. And then 3 centimeter. X, Y and Z. Base is 5 centimeter. This side is 3 centimeter XZ and YZ is 4 centimeter. Students, we move on to the next construction of triangles. To construct a triangle given the lengths of two sides and one included angle, that is two sides and the angle between the sides, that is called as an included angle. So this is an SAS construction. Let us take one example sum to understand this construction better. Draw triangle PQR such that length PQ is 5.5 centimeter. Measure angle P is 50 degree and length PR is 5 centimeter. So now we'll take the base as PQ, 5.5 centimeter. Since we have to measure the angle from P, that is why we have taken PQ as the base. Now P angle is 50 degrees, so it is an acute angle, and here PR is 5 centimeter. So this is the rough figure. Now we will proceed to draw the fair one. We will take the base PQ 5.5 centimeter. Now with the help of the protractor, you will measure an acute angle that is 50 degree. So acute angle over here 50 degree, and I will draw a ray from here. Now the next side is 5 centimeter. So with the help of the compass we will measure 5 centimeter. And now keeping the pointer of the compass here, we will strike off an arc of 5 centimeter and then join this side. Now we will write all the measurements. This is R, this is P and this is Q. The base was 5.5 centimeter. Angle P measured 50 degree and length of PR is 5 centimeter. So this is side angle side construction. Two sides and one included angle. Now we move on to practice set 3. Look at the first question. In triangle MAT, length MA is 5.2 centimeter. Measure angle A is 80 degree and length AT is 6 centimeter. Here we are given angle A equal to 80 degree. So we will take AT as the base in the rough figure. AT is 6 centimeter, angle A is 80 degree and side AM is 5.2 centimeter. So we will Now draw the fair figure. I will take the base 86 centimeter. Now with the protractor we measure angle A. It's an acute angle equal to 80 degree. Now join this. And this side AM is 5.2 centimeter. So I'll place it here at A and we'll strike 5.2 centimeter, and now we will join this. So this is 80 degree, this is 6 centimeter, and here you have point M, and side AM is 5.2 centimeter. So that's completes the first sum of this exercise. Question number 2. In triangle NTS, angle T is 40 degree and length of NT and TS both are equal to 5 centimeter. Since angle T is given, we are taking TS as the base, 5 centimeter. From here we will measure angle T equal to 40 degree and length of TN is 5 centimeter. So I have drawn the base here, TS equal to 5 centimeter. Now I will measure angle T equal to 40 degree. And now length of TN is also 5 centimeter. So placing it at T, we will cut an arc measuring 5 centimeter and join this. Students, the third and the fourth sum of practice set 3 will be solved in the next video. Until then, goodbye.